Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to be introducing a new series called Rosé and Free Gift Friday, where I will be reviewing products I have received through one of my favorite programs called Free Gift Friday, which is a program through New Beauty's Beauty Pass, where you're offered a chance to purchase full-size items that New Beauty has picked out, and you only have to pay shipping. Every time you get an item, it usually comes in this pink bag, so when you see it in the mail, you can be super excited, and I'm really excited to show you what I've received so far. So pour yourself a glass of your favorite beverage, and let's get started. I'll be putting the link below so that you can apply, if you're interested, to the Free Gift Friday program, which I think is great. And also, I'll be putting all the products below, their descriptions and prices, their links and prices. So first off, we have a leave-in cream from Alterna Caviar. And I will admit, when I saw this was a CC cream, for a second, I thought this was for your face, which I didn't know Alterna had. So I'm excited to say it has 10 benefits. It's going to provide moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection. It's going to help with manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection up to 450 degrees, as well as light hold. You can either use it with dry hair to add extra styling, or you can use it with wet hair as a leave-in conditioner. And this full-size product retails for $46. And the cream, you can see, it's gonna pleasant, non-overpowering smell, and it's pretty lightweight. So I like to use it usually after shower on my lengths and my ends, and it just gives nice moisture and it helps protect my hair in case I'm gonna do any kind of heat styling. So next, I received the Joaquina Beauty Botanica Crema Essential. So this is a moisturizer. It's going to provide hydration. It's going to help with signs of aging, visibly plump and firm, and help with environmental defense. So this is made from white porcelain cacao. So who doesn't love cream made from chocolate? And it's going to help with blue light pollution, as well as the Colombian superfruits within it are going to help the skin's defense against damage. Now, one of the other nice things about this program is a lot of times when you get these products, you receive codes if you like the product to purchase more from the brand. So if you can see here, this one came with a little 20% off coupon for Joaquina Botanica. So this is the product. It is going to be 1.7 fluid ounces. And this one retails for $98. It's a great value. And let's see what it looks like. So this looks like a really nice, rich, moisturizing cream. I think you can see that. And I'm gonna put some on, and it blends into the skin really nicely and provides some much needed hydration from this dry weather. So you can see how hydrated this one is versus this one. So yeah, I'm super excited to try that. And then we have, Alta MD Skincare. This is going to be a broad spectrum tinted moisturizer. I love tinted moisturizers because they give you a little bit of color, a little bit of sheen, but still help protect against the sun. And since I'm not someone who wears a lot of foundation, I like to start my day with a tinted moisturizer. Now this is going to be a physical or mineral sunscreen. So this is actually going to act as an umbrella for your skin, reflecting the UVA, UVB rays, versus a chemical sunscreen, which are going to absorb and then turn them out into heat. Some of the ingredients in this are, of course, the zinc oxide, which is going to be your sunscreen, and it also has niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and vitamin E. So this is going to also help, because of the niacinamide, it's going to help with blemishes as well as some skin discoloration. It's going to help with the appearance of that. And the sodium hyaluronate is going to be a humectant, so it's going to help with moisture and bring some of the moisture in. So this is tinted, and it comes in one color. You can see. And let's blend it in and see what it looks like. So the nice thing about these tinted moisturizers is they do come usually one color for all, but they have this magic ability to just really blend into all skin. So you can see, you can't even tell. You don't have to worry about that white pasty feel when you're wearing sunscreen. So this is really great for everyday use. Okay, next I received 2 products from Davines. And I will say sometimes if you purchase a lot, New Beauty actually will send you a bonus text to say, congratulations, based on your previous history, you have been invited to receive a bonus free gift Friday. So even on the off weeks, you'll still get an offer. And this was one of those. They asked me what color my hair was, and I did say it was blonde. So they sent me things made for blondes. So these are Davines Heart of Glass products. I'm going to start with this one. This is Heart of Glass Sheer Glaze. This is going to be a brightening thermal fluid for blondes. So this is going to help provide UV protection, heat protection. It's going to be brightening. It's going to be hydrating. And I always love to smell these. So let's see what it smells like. It's just, okay, that's really nice. Little floral, but I think because it's going in your hair, it's gonna smell nice. It's a little floral, and it just has just a really nice clean smell to it. Additionally, I received the Heart of Glass Intense Treatment. Now, this one is going to help with hydration, breakage, and reinforcing the hair. This is going to be more like a mask, thick. It's going to provide hydration. Instead of your regular conditioner, after shampooing, you want to put this in your hair, leave it 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how damaged your hair is or how much in need of moisture it is. And then you go ahead and wash it out. And yeah, so together, these products cost or have a value of $74. So that was one free gift Friday I received. So the last item that I received in this particular set is the tan-luxe The Face. These are illuminating self-tan drops. These are going to be perfect for customizing your tan. You can apply them to your moisturizer, your serum, or your face oil. You can see it's in shade light medium. And one of the great things about this is it depends how tan you want to get. Do you want a little glow? Do you want bronze? You can really do from 2 to 12 drops. So this will last you a while, once again, depending on how tan you want to go and what your base already looks like. I love a healthy glow, but I am cognizant of what the sun can do to your face. So I want to make sure that if I'm using this, I'm now putting on a moisturizer like this Ulta MD on top of it, and that way I'm still protecting my face. Now this retails for $50, so it was also a great deal. And all of these items together, all of these items together retail for around $300, a little over $300. And for most of the items through Free Gift Friday, they charge you $12.95 shipping. So that's around $67. So I think this is a great deal, super fun for everyone. And there is never a commitment to buy. So there's really no downside to being in this program. And I hope you all will join or tell me about your experiences with Free Gift Friday. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please feel free to check out my newest video and tell me in the comments below if there are other things you'd like me to review. And of course, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.